Hi everyone, Cate Collins, Powerful Journey Consulting. Just wanted to share with you a very powerful story. I read it today, true story. This gentleman went to see his doctor, and the doctor said, the choices you make today determine how you choose to die. I know, right? Let me say that again. The choices you make today determine how you choose to die. I know, so you may have this wash of guilt, not my intention. However, I do think it's important. We're a society where we've forgotten about being conscious, more mindful, right? We know that more than ever, we've gotten ourselves into some really unhealthy habits, whether it's technology, whether it's with sugar, whether it's with caffeine, alcohol, whether it's lacking sleep. So I really want to make the body, mind, and spirit connection here. Because you know, of course, I've created the 4 rooms formula. So let's think about that. The choices we make today determine how we choose to die. So for me, I'm thinking about rest. We've got definitely an epidemic on our hands. We are definitely sleep deprived. And I keep things pretty simple. This is my background as a family and children's counselor, but what I would encourage parents when their kids were small is that you need to create a bedtime routine and stick to it. Make it something that's enjoyable, something that's engaging, something that just tells the brain, okay, we're starting to wind down. So for me, for example, I know that once the makeup's off, that the teeth are brushed, the jammies are on, I curl in and read that great book for how many pages, depending on, of course, how busy my day was. And then I pop on my CD, my meditation CD. Now, lots of times I don't even get to hear the whole CD. However, my brain knows that's all part of the ritual. We all have that busy mind based on technology, our busy schedules, and so on. So we need to have these really, creative plans on how we can wind down. So sleep, number 1. Number 2 is, which I've alluded to it already, is that busy mind. A lot of my clients I know talk about just they can't stop the mind, the busy mind. So I really encourage you to entertain the meditation piece. So I start my day off, which of course, I'm always big on how I start my day creates my day. And so for me, I start my day off with a minimum of 15 minutes of silence. Just doing some breathing, a breathing technique, quite simple. Breathe in, peace and harmony. Breathe out anything that's not serving me well. Do that with me now, will you? Breathe in, peace. Exhale, fear. Yeah. So just doing that. Maybe you're going to do it for 5 minutes starting tomorrow. So we've talked about, for sure, the sleep. We've talked about the importance of quieting the busy mind. You may even want to, before you go to sleep, do some journaling or do some writing. Get out of your head. Don't rent space in your head. Those things you still need to do or some anxiety that you have about yesterday. So the other thing I want you to be thinking about is moving your body. It's so important that we move our body every day. We know that sitting is the new smoking. So it's having the same impact on us. So I know a lot of us are at our computers or on the technology. It's important every hour, get up, move your body, because otherwise when we don't have that release, the dilemma is that it's staying housed in our body. So of course, what does it do? It manifests in the ways of aches and pains, sometimes some serious illness, right? So find something that you love to do. Walk, maybe get out there with your dog. You don't have a dog, borrow your neighbor's dog. Just tell them. But, get out there, right? You just move your body. So very important. Another thing which is really important, we know that the common thread to all disease is inflammation. We're talking cancer. We're talking blood pressure. We're talking heart attacks. The list goes on. So what causes inflammation? Sugar, sodium, processed food, right? Fried foods. So you already know which one you need to land on, right? So minimizing your sugar. Say to yourself, okay, for the next 7 days, I'm going to either eliminate sugar or I'm going to minimizing it to this much. I'm going to allow myself on Saturday to have a treat, but the rest of the time throughout the week, I'm going to really eliminate sugar other than having some fruit, right? Moderation, we know that, right? Maybe for you it's caffeine. Okay, wait a minute, I am drinking a pot a day. Let's reduce that to 2 or 3. I'm talking cups now, not pots, right? So we already know what we need to do. The key is to take action, right? So what are you going to do today for the next 7 days that's going to be different to allow you to make sure that you are in fact going to choose a much healthier exit from this planet. I don't know about you, but I'm going to be 105. I'm going to drift off to sleep. It's going to be that easy. I'm living a very healthy lifestyle up to there. My brain is in its fullness. I'm bright and I'm energetic and passionate about my life's passions. So for you, what is your exit? How are you going to choose to die? Because it's the choices you make today. My hunch is you don't want to have a foot amputated. You don't want to be in some nursing home where you're feeling neglected or you're drugged out because of all the pain that you're experiencing. So it's the choices you make today that impact how you choose to die when it's your time. Have yourself a powerful day. Would love to hear some of the things you're willing to do. You can send it to CateCollins at powerfuljourney.com. That's Cate Collins at powerfuljourney.com. Have yourself an amazing day. Enjoy the rest of the summer. This weather's been awesome. Take care. Until next time.